How to take photo from video in Capcut. First, make sure your video is added to the timeline in Capcut. Now, play or scroll through the video and find the exact frame you want to capture. Once you find it, pause the video right there. Next, look above the preview window and tap on the three dots or menu icon. From the options, select Export Still Frame. A new window will appear. Here, you can name your image, choose where to save it, and select the format: PNG for high quality or JPEG to save space. Once everything is set, tap on Export. And that's it. You've successfully taken a photo from a video in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.